the bush, and I thank God for the apologetic class. As in, I met some Jehovah's Witnesses a few weeks ago, and my joy is that I shared, they came to me, they wanted to talk to me about discussing the Bible, and I agreed. And in one way or the other, according to what we've learned in apologetic classes, that we don't go out there to flex our biblical knowledge or to show people that we know the Bible, but our main goal is to defend the faith. So you give the people the chance to speak, and when they're giving you what they believe in, you ask questions, and in asking questions, they get to know whom you believe in. And that gave me joy, because the person who was speaking to me was an old guy, and he told me, "Young man, I'm going to think about what you've told me." Thank you.